Hello, my name is Mitchell T. Palmer. You know my name, damn it. I'm your private grooming brand expert, and I'm coming to you live from the executive room library at Gentleman Barber for another episode of Beyond Barbering. I'd like to remind you that coming up in the near future, and that will be early next week, I have a beer brewing expert and beer judge, good friend of mine and this barbershop by the name of Jared Fuller, who is going to come on and be on an episode, the first episode of Beyond Barbering Live with guests. I'm going to start learning a little bit something about the people that frequent the establishment. We're also going to hear later in the month when I come to you and talk to you a little bit more and unveil the personal grooming brand. But first and foremost, what we have today is an unboxing. I've never done an unboxing before, but today is going to be my first attempt at it, and I would like you to be part of that. Now, this unboxing, let's see if I got this right. I do. I have it right. Right there. Let's see if I can get me and the box in there at the same time. You can see this box is addressed to Gentleman Barber in Sandy, Utah. And it's important to understand that this box represents the supply chain that I have continued to keep stuffed full so that my clients don't run out as they work throughout their week, their month, their quarter, their year, your lives. Brother, I've got you covered right here. Here's another example of Gentleman Barber making sure, is that focused yet? Making sure that you have the supplies you need for your barbering and personal and private grooming needs. Now, this box in particular, I might mention, is marked urgent, open now. And you can tell that's urgent because down here in the corner, there are exclamation points. Okay, we're going to open this box in just a moment, and we're going to see what's inside. First of all, I need to get prepared for the unboxing and the opening. That's dramatic. That worked out really well. So, the unboxing. Before we get to that, I would like to discuss the fact that that supply chain we talked about being a little bit light, a little bit, once in a while they have some things that you would like that are missing that you can't get a hold of. Because my opinion, and this is due largely to, we know some of the details, ships in the harbor, not able to dock, not able to be unloaded. Maybe it's supply chain issues with regard to trucking once the supplies are unloaded from container ships. But basically it comes down to this basic problem. People don't want to go back to work. I don't know about you, but I enjoy working. I'm still working now. In fact, I'm working right now for you. About to about to open this box and have my first ever unboxing here on Facebook. There might be a secret about this box, I don't know. The point is that people have opted to stay home, shelter in place, and wait for somebody, aka the government, to send them a check so that they don't have to worry about working. And I'm not exactly sure how we're supposed to live through that. Are you? Anyway, it has been my purpose to make sure my clients don't go without. And if there's anything I can do about that, well, I'm doing it. And I've done it. This box that I am about to open for you is proof. Now, as I turn to this box and open it up and we see what's in the contents inside, I'm going to ask everybody with a faint heart or an aversion to violence or implements that usually refer to violence or seem to follow violence or precede it wherever it goes, leave the room. Leave the room, press pause, look away. I don't know, shut down Facebook. Are you all gone? Okay. I'm going to use this knife to open that box. And again, this dramatic soundtrack has worked out really well. Now, here's the secret. I'm not actually going to use this knife to open this box, but I'm going to pretend to. I'm going to pretend to do it right now. Watch this. Oh, look how hard this box is to open. Okay, so there we go. The box is now open. Through the magic of internet television, we have an open box. I'm going to open the flaps up. We're going to look inside and see what's in there. Now, you're not going to look inside with me. I'm going to just show you as I need to. Inside this box, somewhere in there, thank you for your patience. There's a lot of packing material in this box. But down in the middle, oh, here we go. This is what's inside the box. And this is what matters. This is why you have watched this video. Are you ready? It would be really cool if the melodramatic music queued up at this specific point. Let's see. Let's do it. Let's do it manually. Here we go. What's in the box? A whole shipment of custom haircuts just for my clients. How about that? Now that you know, the supply chain here at Gentleman Barber has not been affected and that we have plenty of custom haircuts. What I'm going to ask you to do is consider to go to our website, and that website is gentlemanbarber.com. You can go there, you can mash the Book Now button, find a time, come in and claim one of your brand new custom haircuts that just arrived in yonder box. Meantime, gentlemen, my name is Mitchell T. Palmer. This has been Beyond Barbering. You know my name, damn it. I am your private grooming brand expert, and I am here to say supply chain problem resolved. I have a whole box full of custom haircuts waiting, ready for you. Why don't you go out there and consider gentlemanbarber.com. Hit that Book Now button. Find a time to come in and claim one of your haircuts. In the meantime, God bless you. God bless America, the greatest nation that ever existed on planet Earth. And one last bit of advice. Be good or don't get caught.